Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Today we have two speakers with us who are going to take us through two different topics. Gajraj Dahiya would be taking us how to adopt the life skills and what are the strategies of that. And Priyavrat would be taking up the session on admission to the overseas universities, since he's having an expertise in that. Now coming to Mr. Gajraj, he is an industry veteran and HR professional. He has worked in various organizations, and the last organization that he was working was an automobile work organization. Obviously, Gajraj comes from an industry knowledge of, I believe he's also a defense guy also. And correct me, Gajraji, if I'm wrong on that. And so far, when he has worked with the organization, he was into a role where he was handling people. So his function was people-oriented function, and he has taken a lead in recruitment, talent acquisition, organization development, other things. And recently, from last 2 years, he has started into the career coaching. The coaching was a part of his portfolio as an HR personnel. He is a life coach as well. He has done some certification programs, and he has come to NCCN as a member, and he will bring in 3 decades of the experience to the table. So over to Gajraj for the life skills one. Now we can start with Gajraj's presentation, adopting life skills. Over to Gajraj.
And members of NCCN. The most difficult, typical, and specific skill is the life skill, but adapting it is the most difficult. So I would request everybody to pay a little serious attention. Adapting life skill, how? Life skills, in my own definition, is nothing but a living in full of expectations, and self-knowledge instill life level simply. If we go the dictionary meaning or the professional meaning of life skills, the problem-solving behaviors used appropriately and responsibly in the management of personal affairs in daily life. So the time when a student passes out of 9th and head towards 10th, 11th, and 12th, those are the 3 years where he will apply, and he is supposed to apply his learnings, which he has learned from out of his house, out of school, gurus, friends, and the all neighborhoods. So that is the most critical time when he has to, like we call it in a language, that is aplearnication. After learning, when we apply our learning, that is called aplearnication. Adoption becomes a way to life. How do we adapt those learnings we have learned from father, mother, teachers, friends, or the idol some of you must be having in front of you to follow him or his habits? First of all, there is a perspective that is called attitude towards adapting the life skills. That is nothing but an ability to think about and take decisions in a reasonable way, but responsibly. And the perspective, it's an expectation out of you by your dearer, nearer friends, father, mother. So that is the perspective, which is called the expectation, and even by yourself also. So one must have that perspective also. And then the objective. What objective do we have in our life? Something that one trying to achieve. मुझे IPS बनना है, मुझे IAS बनना है, मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, मुझे स्पोर्ट्समैन बनना है, और मुझे एक्टर बनना है, मुझे IT में जाना है. मुझे कॉमर्स में जाना है, मुझे सीए बनना है, मुझे सीएस बनना है. There are not many careers, but it has to be an objective. One must have the objective in his life, and that is called the aim. Like I'll just show you a small video, if it can. No, it's not opening. Some effective learning. Self stands for some effective learning for self-development. Now here comes about myself. I'll give my example only. I'm a person from a village, from a very medium class family, farmer family. I passed out of 10th class from a village school. After that, I was selected in Indian Navy as a direct entry metric recruit. And therefrom my life started. Up to that point, I did not thought of where I'm going to go, what I have learned, what I have not learned and all, and I was not able to apply it. However, when I got selected, so I was given the responsibility that batch is to be taken from Jamnagar to Goa by train, and nobody should get hurt, nobody should get missed, nobody should get accident. And first time I was handling that role. But yes, at that point in time, I remembered everything of my father, how he was doing in the home, family, village, without having zero portfolio. He was handling villages. He was handling cases of marriages. He was handling cases of societies. He was handling cases which were not even sold in the courts and all. And he used to have the adverse effects, and he used to handle those things, even in the family also and even outside. So therefrom I learned things, but I applied those things there. And today I am in front of you having those things with me. I have learned everything I could make. Only and only one guru, and he is my father, who is no more with us now. So that is called self-development. Self-development starts from some effective learning for your own self-development. That is the actually learning. Career development plan. Then starts your career development, like the we are in now 11th, 12th, or passing 12th, or running in 9th. So this is the time we have to make an objective of our life. So please follow an idol. Please make an idol. It may be your father, maybe your mother, maybe your guru, maybe your friend, or somebody else. You must have an idol in your life whom you can follow it. Then, or a guru, or a target. So there has to be at least one in front of you to make your life, and that will only plan your career development. Then individual development plan. It never comes by its own. Again comes for the self-development. So there is a policy, 3H policy. First is head, then is heart, and then is hand. However, in our society, I find most of the time, hands are first, heart again later, and mind, which is called head, it is nowhere used even. So this is a chronological order, that is head, heart, and hand. We must have this policy in our life. And then the PPP. This is practice, practice, and practice. The adoption of life skills is a very serious game of our life, and we must pay attention towards the people behaviors when we are alone, neither mother nor father nor guru nor idol, and I'm alone. Suppose I went to a college. Of course, as per law, ragging is not allowed now, but at the same time, raggings are being done, raggings are being conducted. So how do you handle that ragging when there is nobody to guide you? It means that is the point in time you need to understand as to how come out of it, and keep yourself cool and sail with the system, sail with the stream, not against the stream. So these are the ways and processes of adapting the life skills. Thank you.